Hello guys, welcome to gourabsartcraftworld. I'm Gaurav and today I'm going to show you how to use this beautiful dream cut machine that I've received from Itsy Bitsy Craft Store. So before moving forward, let me just unbox it first. You can see the packaging of this machine is really beautiful. Along with that machine, here we have some basic materials to use dream cut machine. First we have a warranty card, a plate C, the most important plate A, an instruction manual to use dream cut machine, these two black glossy sheets, and two pieces of plate B. The machine is well protected by thick thermocol sheets. It can be used for die cutting and embossing purpose too. Now we need to attach the handle. Inside that package, here we have its handle, a cap, a screw and a tool to insert the screw. Now simply attach the handle by following its manual. Insert the screw properly and cover it with the cap. Now our dream cut machine is ready to use. Here we have also received some foam sheets, card making paper, glitter foam sheets and some thin cut dies to work with that machine. Today I'm going to show you 3 projects using that machine. For the first project, here I'm going to use this round MDF board. Coloring the board with red chalk paint by using a sponge. Now take a small hexagonal MDF board and color it with white chalk paint. Now place it in the middle of the round MDF board and mark the shape with the help of a pencil. Now on the basis of the size, here I'm going to create a black thick line. To use that machine, first you need to place plate A, cover with plate C, place the cutting die on the top with the cutting side facing up. Now place suitable paper on the top and cover it with plate B. Now push the stack into the machine and rotate the handle clockwise and again in opposite direction, that is anti-clockwise. Now remove the top plate. And here you have your perfect cutout. Now follow the same process to prepare other cutouts. Please check the description box for the list of the materials, and I have also mentioned the link of the website from where you can purchase all the materials and the machine. For simple designs, rotating the handle in only clockwise direction is enough, but for intricate designs like this, you have to rotate the handle both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now on the hexagonal MDF board, here I'm going to create a golden border. After drying up, stick it on the center of the round MDF board. Now by using glue, stick all the cutouts on it and decorate it. Here I have prepared 2 types of bells. You can use any of them or both of them. So basically it's a Christmas decor that I am making. You can also use pearl beads for decoration. So here is our first project. Second project is almost same, but here instead of writing ho ho ho, I'm adding another bell under the belt. So here we have completed our second project. For the third project, here I'm going to create a New Year greeting card. Take a A4 size card making paper. Now fold it from middle. Now follow the same process to prepare some cutouts which we will be using to decorate our card. Clean the cutout by removing the extra parts. Here I have forgot to place the middle portion of it, that's why I have to cut it again. I'm going to decorate my card with some beautiful butterflies. Now by using glue, stick the cutouts on the card and decorate it. You can also use this type of stickers for decoration. So finally we have completed our third project as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!